Good morning, dear students. Welcome to our online teaching academy, Surya Vidyaniketan School. Third class, second term. Subject Science Studies. Lesson name Birds. Topic Nesting, Habits and Caring of the Young Ones. Children, today we are going to learn of very interesting topic of nesting habits of birds. Materials used by birds to make nest. Birds build nest using leaves, straws, twigs, wool, cotton and thread. Birds can take care of their nest in places safe from enemies and bad weather. All birds reproduce by laying eggs. When they have to lay eggs, they build homes called nest. Baby birds are born in nest. Nest act as shelter for birds. Nest keep young birds warm and protect them from enemies and various challenging weather conditions. Children's బర్డ్స్ నెస్ట్ ఎందుకు కట్టుకుంటాయంటే షెల్టర్ కోసం. వర్షం వచ్చినప్పుడు మొత్తం ఎగ్స్ అనేది పడిపోతాయి కదా, సో నెస్ట్లో ఉంటే సేఫ్గా ఉంటాయి అండ్ ఎనిమీస్ నుంచి కూడా. ఓకేనా చిల్డ్రన్స్? Once all the eggs are laid, the mother and sometimes father too sits on eggs to keep them warm. Parents guard the nest. Soon the eggs break open and baby bird come out. This is called hatching. They are tiny and weak. The parents feed them and protect them from enemies. Once the baby birds grow big, they fly off with their parents. Children's ఫస్ట్ ఎగ్ నుంచి హ్యాచ్ అయిన తర్వాత బేబీ బర్డ్ అనేది బయటకు వస్తుంది. సో దానికి ఫిదర్స్ ట్విక్స్ ఉండవు కాబట్టి అది ఎగరలేదు, ఇంకా తను వర్క్ చేసుకోలేదు. సో ఎనిమీస్ నుంచి కూడా తనకి ప్రొటెక్షన్ ఉండాలి కాబట్టి పేరెంట్స్ అనేది తన ప్రొటెక్షన్ చూసుకుంటూ ఉంటుంది. తను కొంచెం పెద్దగా అయిన తర్వాత బేబీ బర్డ్ ఏమవుతుంది, తన మదర్తో పాటు ఎగురుతూ వెళ్తుంది. నెక్స్ట్, different types of birds build different nests with different features. We will learn about the nesting habits of some birds. Let's begin. Eagles and vultures make nest out of twigs and sticks on branches of tall trees. Children, look at picture. Eagle nest and a vulture nest. ఈ బర్డ్స్ అనేది ట్రీస్, బిగ్ ట్రీస్ ఉంటాయి కదా, దాని పైన ఇవి స్టిక్స్ ద్వారా నెస్ట్ అనేది గూడ్లాగా కట్టుకుంటుంది. నెక్స్ట్, woodpecker. The woodpecker makes holes in the trunks with their chisel-like beaks to make their nest. They use chips of wood to make their nest warm and cozy. Tyler bird. The Tyler bird makes their nest with long leaves. They stitch two large leaves together with a bit of thread, straw and dry twigs. The nest is lined with a material like cotton, wool, grass and hay to keep their nest cozy. Children, observe picture in this beautiful Tyler bird nest. The Tyler bird leaves, big leaves and grass to put on inside the leaves. And look at picture 2 in baby birds. In the inside have small eggs and baby birds also. Next, weaver bird. The weaver bird uses dry twigs, grass, fine pieces of straw to make a very big and strong nest by pulling the grass in and out. The nest hangs from the branch of a tree. The bird enters and comes out through a tunnel-like opening at the end of the nest. Children, how is it, weaver bird? looks like a beautiful yes, it is look like a beautiful nest. Next, the penguin. This is very interesting bird. Penguin lives in very cold places since it is difficult to find twigs, grass or straw in such places. Penguins collect stones and pebbles to make it a beautiful nest. Children's penguin where it lives? Penguin lives in cold places. Do you know, children's? Here are some birds who do not build nest. Cuckoo and quail. Cuckoos are lazy birds. They do not build their own nest. They lay their eggs in nest of other birds. వేరే పక్షులు నెస్ట్ అనేది ఫామ్ చేసుకుంటాయి. ఆ పక్షులలో ఇవి ఎగ్స్ అనేది పెట్టుకుంటాయి. అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ కోయల్. కోయల్ ఆల్సో డస్ నాట్ మేక్ ఎ నెస్ట్. The quail is a clever but very lazy. It lays its eggs in crow's nest and lets the mother crow to look after the baby cuckoos. Next, caring for the young. Caring for the young. Birds lay eggs in their nest. The mother bird sits on the eggs for some days to keep warm. Help the baby bird to develop inside eggs. When the eggs hatch, the baby bird come out very weak and featherless. Parents feed them and protect them from enemies. Children, now you know a lot about birds. If you see a nest with eggs in it, do not disturb it. Watch it every day. Soon you will see little birds in the nest. Watch the birds grow. Remember, always watch birds quietly and from a distance so as not to disturb them. Okay, na children? Next, chick. Chick means young one of bird. Nest, a bird's house. Nest means a bird's house. Birds build nest to lay eggs. Baby birds are looked after by their parents. Children, this is our beautiful birds lesson. In this lesson, we studied about different kinds of beaks, feet and claws. How does a bird fly? Wing movement and feathers of birds and nesting habits. Next, caring for the young. This is our lesson. Let us revise some points. A bird uses its beak to catch and hold food. Beaks also help it building nest. Birds have different kinds of beaks because they have different eating habits. Birds have 2 feet with 4 toes on each. Birds have different kinds of beaks because they have different eating birds. Birds fly with a upstroke and downstroke of their wings. Birds have 3 types of feathers: body feathers, down feathers, and flight feathers. Birds use different kinds of things such as twigs, straw, leaves, threads, wool, cotton, or even pieces of cloth to build their nest. This is our lesson, birds lesson. Children, you try to identify the birds and observe its beak and claws in your surroundings. Okay, na children? Today I am giving to homework. Children, do one project. If you like any bird nest, make a one beautiful nest. How to make nest? I will send to in your 3rd class group video. Okay, na children? Thank you. Take care. Don't go outside. Stay home. Okay, children. Bye.